Today's word is castigate, spelled as Castigate. Castigate. Castigate is a verb. Castigate is a formal word that means to criticize harshly. Example of castigate in a sentence. He was widely castigated for earning millions of dollars in bonuses as the company he was leading slid into insolvency. The judge castigated the lawyers for their lack of preparation. Castigate in context. At key moments throughout the animated feature, which takes her from age 7 through her 20s, she's bombarded with the song stylings of three mythology sirens, harmonizing scolds who take different forms depending on the circumstances. They reinforce Zelma's self-doubt and castigate her whenever she breaks or questions the old-school rules of the boy-girl game. Synonyms of castigate: based, ball out, berate, call down, chastise, chew out, dress down, hammer, jaw, keel haul, lambast, rack, rail, rant, reprimand, reproach.